Guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Today, I am super excited to make this video because it looks like momentum is coming back to several small to mid-cap companies that we've been holding for the past year. If you are one of those people that have been back holding lots of these stocks, nothing wrong, to be honest. If you are holding long-term, obviously there's different ways you can invest, trade, make money in the market. But today, I'll be going over several ticker symbols that have been doing super well this past week. And the stock market, I will give you some examples currently. We're going to be talking about CENN, BBIG, GME, AMC, CEI, MULN, SNDL. All these ticker symbols have been doing super well this past week. And currently, even after hours, they're still moving towards the upside. There's lots of stuff to go over in TA side. So I'll be showing you briefly what I'm looking at to give you more confidence, just in case you are still holding these stocks or currently debating it to jump back on board. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and also remember, not financial advisor. I can never tell you what to buy or sell since I'm not a financial advisor, but you already know that. And also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel because I tend to upload videos just like this, just about almost every single day. Keep in mind, maybe I missed a day or two, but on a regular, I do upload every single day. So yeah, guys, with that being said, let's get this video started. Alright guys, first ticker symbol we're going to be discussing is MULN, Mullen Automotive. Currently, we closed today right at $3.31, about a 3% gain for the day. But after hours, we are up about another 1.51%. Trading currently right at $3.36. Not bad, not bad, not bad. As you know, yesterday we had a massive run in Mullen Automotive. We went all the way up to $4.18 at its highest point. But as you can see here, we did end up testing this fib line that I have drawn here for the past, since I've been covering, since let's say last week, Mullen Automotive. I've had these fib lines drawn out, and we can see it tested this fib line of 261.8%, which was a price target around $3.94, and we saw it retrace back since then. And currently we bounced back up this other fib line that's at a 161.8% of a price target of $2.78. Today we did see lows all the way from like $2.90. Let's see. We had a low today of $2.83, and also we opened up right at $2.99. So keep in mind, there's different ways you could trade. There's different ways you invest money. But the way I'm playing these kind of plays is I'm getting in certain levels and I'm getting out in certain levels. For example, yesterday, I did expect, well, I didn't really expect, but I was hoping to hit this fib line. I saw we got pretty close, and I kind of waited to see if we're going to go past this fib line. We ended up retracing back down, which in turn, I think I ended up selling right at $3.95, I would say, around there. Took my profit, waited for another pullback, and just my luck today, we actually pulled back all the way to a low of, like I said, $2.83. I managed to kind of dollar cost average. I don't really try to put all my money of what I'm trying to trade with all at one transaction. I do it in bits. So I got in at $3.06, $3.03, $2.99, $2.85, and also right at the lowest, I think $2.89, $2.90 around there at the lowest. So I dollar cost average, and currently after hours I am up again. And what I'm gonna be expecting from Mullen Automotive coming in tomorrow is, in turn, we're gonna retest this fib line yet again. But currently what I've been seeing, every time we test new fib lines, we end up breaking these fib lines. So keep in your mind, if you're waiting for another test at $3.94, expect we're gonna end up testing. But what I'm expecting is to actually move further up and past this fib line, and we're gonna end up targeting right at $5.11, which is the fib line at 361%. So that's what I'll be looking out for. That's my price target. Honestly, I'll be happy if I even sell above $4, but I am expecting another pull to the upside to around $5 area. That's my price prediction for Molar Automotive. Doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna happen, but that's just what I think. And as you can see, currently on the 200 EMA, we are way above the 200 EMA. And also you see the 13 EMA is separating way away from the 48 EMA, giving us more and more bullish trend toward the upside. So yeah, that's more automotive. Now let's jump into CEI. CEI is another stock that I've been trading. I think more than anything last week I ended up trading more CEI than I did this week. For obvious reasons, I was waiting for it to pull down to this lower demand zone, which was around 60 cents. We didn't see that. Like I said, we don't necessarily need to see these demand zones actually happen. But what we did end up seeing is we reached this demand zone of around, I'd say 77 cents, around there. And if you got on into that demand zone, you made lots of money. Currently, we are testing this resistance, which is right at $1.01. Question is there still volume? Is there still momentum in CEI? Well, let's look at the volume for today. Volume for today is at 55.89 million. It is a decrease in volume for CEI. So currently, this is one of the ticker symbols that I did make a lot of money. And this run right here, I think I made decent money. And also I lost in one trade, but since I made money, I ended up still profiting, which is the goal if you're trading. Currently, I'm not trying to get in CEI. I don't like 92 cents. Like I said, I'll prefer it to fall down to at least 70 cents, but ideally is back to the 60-cent area. Day by day that goes by for CEI, volume is decreasing, but obviously, in my opinion, what's happening is we're seeing people move out of CEI and start moving into other stocks. For example, like MULN, we're seeing more and more volume in those kind of stocks. I'm not saying we're not going to end up getting more volume yet again for CEI, but that's just a idea or a thought to keep in your mind if you are still currently holding CEI or you're expecting another run. Like I said, currently we are testing. We ended up retracing from this resistance of $1.01. Currently, we are still above the 200 EMA. Keep in mind, this is the 4-hour chart. But we are seeing that 13 is about to cross underneath the 48 EMA on a 4-hour chart, which in turn means it's a bearish trend. But since we are still above the 200 EMA, it has not given us confirmation just yet. So still another stock to kind of look out for is CEI. Like I said, I'm not currently in CEI. I made my money and I'm out. I'm waiting for certain levels to hit CEI. Whenever I do end up getting back into CEI, I see more volume, I'll make a video about CEI. So don't worry about that. And now let's jump into AMC. AMC, I've been holding for a while, over a year. Ever since we had that massive rally to $72, I believe it was, I've been holding AMC. I'm still waiting for the MOAS, just like everyone out there. I know there's people out there trading AMC. I know people out there that are saying, why are you back holding AMC? But this is one of the plays that I'm still currently holding. This is like my lotto ticket, if I'm being honest for you. I'm not trading AMC. This is the only ticker symbol that I'm currently holding in waiting. I'd rather it go to zero than miss out an opportunity to make life-changing money. But that's my thought. You don't have to necessarily like what I'm saying about AMC, but this is just an idea. For me, this is my lotto ticket to hopefully make life-changing money. Currently, we ended up closing right at $18.26. But after hours, but look at this. We closed at $18.26. That's a 15% gain just today alone. And after hours, we are currently trading above $20. So imagine all those call options expiring tomorrow. Oh wait, no, tomorrow's not Friday. We're actually expiring this Friday at $20. There's gonna be people out there making money. Could this produce a gamma squeeze? Maybe. We'll see what happens. But after hours, we are up 10%. This is crazy how AMC is gaining its momentum yet again. And if you can see, volume is only at 80 million. So it's not even that much volume that's moving AMC. Now imagine once we get all that volume that we had last year, all that momentum. Sorry to say, but these hedges out there holding their shorts on AMC, they're gonna get burnt if currently they're not getting burnt currently. Like I said, they're gonna have to cover eventually. Not really. There's people out there covering AMC day by day. Like I said, I'm doing my part. I've been holding AMC, and I'm not gonna sell AMC. I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna tell you guys my price target for AMC because everyone has their own opinion of where they think AMC can go. Like I said, I have my price target. If it hits there, I would feel comfortable selling, but I guess time will tell. But look at this. We're going to look at AMC at the 4-hour candlesticks. This is super impressive. We currently broke out of the downwards trend we were experiencing the past couple weeks and over a month of AMC. I think a couple months that we've been in this downwards trend on AMC. We have finally broken out. The 13th EMA finally crossed above the 48 EMA, and currently we are above the 200 EMA. This is super bullish, and we're having confirmation from the MACD. You have these two lines separating, and also currently we are right above the overbought territory, but only time to tell. I'm super excited for AMC. Let's see how everything opens up tomorrow, because I will be in the market trading tomorrow, making that quick money. But my AMC, oh my god, it feels so excited. I opened my account, I'm like, man, I'm making money AMC. And like I said, I'm not gonna sell until that MOAS happens. And now let's move on to GME. We have GME currently trading at a $123.14. We end up closing. That, keep in mind, that's a 30% gain just today alone. Currently, after hours, we are up another 15%, right at 141.20. And as you can see, the graph on GME looks just like AMC. We broke out of 200 EMA. We have the 1348 crossover happening right down below, giving us confirmation on this bullish trend toward the upside. MACD separating down here, and we have our side on the overbought territory. Man, I'm so excited. And let's actually look at the volume. Look at this. The volume on GME is only 14.8 million. This is not even, I'll say, a quarter of the volume we had last year. This is just giving me super pumped, super excited for GME and AMC, more importantly, because I know a lot of people out there probably got into AMC or GME first, starting out for the squeeze. And have we seen the squeeze? In my opinion, no, we haven't, even though people have been saying GME went to $450. That was the squeeze. And we see people saying AMC hit $72. That was the squeeze. But short interest doesn't lie. Shorts are still there. And I guess, like I said, time will tell. And if you're holding your GME or AMC, props to you, because I've been holding my AMC for over a year. And I know being in the red sucks. I know it's painful. And I know you got to trick your mind into, all right, it's more red, let's buy some more. It's just a mindset that you have to get through your head. It's just think about, if we do end up having that MOAS, this will be life-changing money that maybe, let's say you have so much debt that you just can't realize how you're going to pay off. This could be your lotto ticket of pretty much get rid of all your debt that you have out there and focus more on yourself if you really want to pursue trading, investing, or whatever. This is just why I'm still holding AMC. And maybe that's why you're also holding GME or AMC. And yeah, now finally, I know this video is getting kind of long, but let's talk about SLDL, sundial growers. We saw a massive run today of 10%. Currently, we closed at 58 cents. And after hours, we are up another 6%, currently at 62 cents. So plenty of people out there probably making money. I really need to make a separate video talking about SLDL, because this is another stock out there that is getting ready for another massive run. Look at this. We have the same exact trend as AMC, GME, all these other small to mid cap companies. We're all seeing this crossover happening towards the upside above the 200 EMA with massive green candles. And with a good amount of volume. Volume in this, we have 89 million, which is massive for a penny stock. So now, before I end the video, I said I was going to talk about BBIG. BBIG currently trading right at $3.07. And as you can see, we broke out of the 200 EMA, another move to the upside. Currently, we are trading a little sideways here. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but super bullish since we broke out of the 200 EMA, currently trading toward the upside. And then finally, CENN, currently up 1% for the day, closed at $2.30, and currently after hours, we are up 4.78% at $2.41. And as you can see, we have the same exact trend as we did on all these other ticker symbols I just went over and discussed. So no really reason for me to discuss what we can see. More than anything, we had in volume only 21 million. Still that's a lot of volume for a penny stock in my opinion. But this is just giving me confirmation and hype that I think the momentum is coming back. I think the retail investor is coming back to life. And honestly, I'm super excited for everyone out there holding these stocks, trading these stocks, because at the end of the day, we're all in here to make money and not lose money. I know a lot of people out there, lots of people saying, oh my God, why are you bag holding this? Why are you bag holding that? But everyone has their own reason. Everybody have their reason why they're holding a certain stock. It's just like I went over my reason. So always remember, have your reason why you're bag holding, like they call it, a certain stock. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy, and we'll catch you all next time. Peace.